Are you having trouble staying productive and organized at home? Here are some effective and easy life hacks to do at home to make your daily life easier and more productive. First up, did you know that rolling lemons before squeezing them gets you more juice? Yes, a simple roll on the counter, and you're all set for a lemonade. If you're tired of your garbage bag slipping down into the bin, secure it with adhesive hooks on the sides. A small change can save you from a big mess. Ever struggle with a zipper that just won't stay up? A key ring can be your savior. Just attach it to the zipper pull and hook it over the button. For those who love a good cereal crunch but hate the sogginess, try eating it with a fork. Yes, it keeps your cereal less soggy compared to a spoon. Having trouble opening jars? A spoon can help. Wedge it beneath the lid to break the seal. It's a simple trick that can save you from a lot of frustration. If your cutting board slides around, place a damp paper towel underneath it. This hack will keep it in place, making chopping safer and easier. Tired of cables getting tangled? Use toilet roll tubes to separate them in storage. This recycle hack not only organizes your cables, but also saves the environment. Keep your fridge smelling fresh with activated charcoal. It's more effective than baking soda and lasts longer, ensuring your fridge remains odor-free. Scuffed shoes can ruin a good look. Use a dab of toothpaste on a cloth to buff away scuff marks. It works wonders on leather and patent shoes. If you need to remember something important, send yourself a voicemail or email. It's an easy way to remind yourself without cluttering up your space with sticky notes. And finally, make your own ice packs by freezing a sponge soaked in water inside a Ziploc bag. They're reusable, moldable, and perfect for lunchboxes or minor injuries. Thanks for watching. Try out these hacks and transform how you live at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.